Hello friends, my name is Rowan Pepra, and here on this channel I'll be making video tutorials on Vectorworks, Cinema 4D, Rhino and many more. If these are the kind of applications that you wish to learn, now I recommend you subscribe to the channel and also you hit the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you're one of the first people to know. It's been a while since I uploaded a video. I'm sorry for that. I'm currently a student. I'm currently a Master of Architecture student here in Ghana, so I was a little bit occupied doing other academic works. So now that I'm a bit free, I want to just continue with the tutorials. Okay, so in my last 3D modeling video, I looked at the push pull tool. Okay, that was a part one of it. I looked at it, the push pull tool. So in this video we are going to quickly see how the taper tool works. Okay, we are going to quickly see how the taper tool works. So let's begin. Okay, so to use the taper tool, I mean, there has to be some form of geometry that you want to taper. Okay, so right now we are in the 3D environment mode or in the 3D mode. Okay, if you had it on the top plan view, or you needed to do also come here, okay, and then click on the normal perspective mode, and then it will bring you to the 3D mode. Okay, so to use the taper tool, let me start by just drawing a rectangle, simple rectangle here. And once I said as I said in my previous video, once you draw any planar surface in Vectorworks, automatically you get the surface highlighted, meaning that you can automatically click and then push it. Okay, then you can automatically click and then push it to your desired height. It's as simple as that. It's called the automatic push pull mode. Okay, so right now, as you can see, this is in the wireframe mode. Okay, so to change it to the shaded mode, or you need to come to this section here, or this tab here, go to view, and come on the way down to rendering, then you come to the shaded. Okay, and then you see a more solid geometry here. Okay, see a solid geometry here. Okay, so to use the taper tool, you just come to the 3D modeling tool sets. Okay, just beneath the as I mentioned in my previous video, just beneath the basic tool sets, we have additional tools. Okay, so and one of the additional tool sets is the 3D modeling tool sets, which we are now dealing with. So the taper tool is just after the push pull tool, so just click on the taper tool here. I said in my previous video, once you click on any tool here, you have additional options or mode in which that tool can be used. So once you click it here, you come back and select the options. Basically, for the taper tool, the options here work very similarly. So I'm going to just use the first one, the tangent faces mode. Okay, so to taper a surface or to taper a face, okay, all you need to do is to first click on a surface which is tangential to the surface that you want to taper. Okay, so let's say you want to taper this edge. That means you have to first click here, and then you come back to the edge that you want to taper, and then you stretch it. Okay, so you can see as you are stretching it, the angles are changing, or you can define your angle manually. Say if I wanted this angle to be defined, I just have to type in, say, minus 60 degrees. Okay, and as you can see, as simple as that. That's basically how the taper tool works. I mean, you can actually combine it to do other crazy stuff, but basically that is how it works. That's the basics of it. That's basically how it works. You click on the surface, you click on the first surface, and then the second surface that, or the place where you want to taper, you click it next. So to use another example, say I want to taper this edge, as you can widely guess that I have to first click here first, and then click here to taper it. Okay, to taper it, as you can see, it's as simple as that. It's very straightforward. If I want to taper this edge too, I have to first click here. I have to first click here, then come back to the surface I want to taper. Simple as that. If I want to do here, come here, click. So basically that's how the taper tool works. It's as simple as that. Okay, and this can be applied where you want to, say you want to draw ramps. Okay, say you want to draw, say, a ramp. Okay, so say you have this, let me extrude it to say 600. Okay, So let's say this is a terrace or this is the platform preceding the ramp. So if you want to draw the ramp, then you just have to come you just have to first define, or you just have to draw another rectangle on the surface that you want the ramp to be drawn. Okay, so once, say I want the rectangle to be drawn, sorry, say I want a rectangle to be drawn on this surface here. Okay, and I'm using the automatic plane mode. Okay, so any place where the mouse cursor is, that place will be highlighted, that place will be highlighted blue, meaning that that's a place that their drawing is going to be, or that's a place that I'm going to model. Okay, so once the place is highlighted, meaning that that particular surface or that particular plane is where the object is going to be drawn. So let me quickly draw my rectangle here. Draw this rectangle. Okay, let me give it a illustration of, say, under 600. So if I want to create like something of a ramp, okay, all I have to do is to apply what I did here. You can apply what I did here. So you want the ramp to come this way, you want the ramp to run this way. So all you need to do is to click here, you come back to the place where you want the ramp to be drawn, and then you stretch it. Okay, you stretch it. It's as simple as that. Okay, it's as simple as that. It's as simple as that. Okay, see, this is the house that's drawn. It's as simple as that. It's as simple as that. So you have this ramp, and you see this is the building. It's as simple. So basically that's how the taper tool works. It's as simple as that. So thanks very much for watching this video. If you liked it, I recommend you like it and also subscribe. I'll be bringing more videos in the short term, more 3D modeling videos. I would say that Vectorworks is a very good application. It's a very flexible one, and it's just like Revit or ArchiCAD, just that it's not that popular, but I was able to somehow, some way fish it out, and it has helped me a lot in my architectural school. That's helped me a lot. I'm able to do some crazy stuff with it, and then I know that as you watch the tutorials or as you follow what I've been doing so far, you also be able to apply some things, also be able to bring into bear some of the crazy stuff or some of the things that you can actually do here in Vectorworks. Okay, so with the Vectorworks, your only limitation is your mind. You can basically still do anything that you want. So thank you very much. Thanks for being here. If you like the video, then you like and you share. I'll see you in the next video. Basically the next video we are going to look at the twist tool. Okay, the twist tool. So thanks very much, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.